As a content creator, these are 5 sound effects you should use in your next video to spice it up. Number 1, we have whoosh. Number 2, we have pop. Number 3, we have click. Number 4, we have camera flash. Number 5, we have keyboard typing. And lastly, we have riser. So use the following sound in the next video, then see how your video goes from good to better. See you in the next one.